So as we have seen the total product definition in the previous video, so in this video we will learn about the table of the total product, that how the total products are schedule. Mainly we can say if it is a tabular representation, that it must be a total product schedule, right? So let's see that here it is firstly given, that is factor A, factor B and total product. So as we know that it is given land and labor, so factors of production, about that we have seen the definition, that it is by using the factors of production. So the factors of production we know, that is land, labor, capital, entrepreneur, right? So the land and labor, it is also a factors of production. So land, it is mainly we can say that is a fixed factor, it can't be changed in a short period of a time, that land is changed, land is a fixed factor. So the land is a fixed factor, so 1 for every fixed. But if we say about the labor, then labor must be a variable factor, it can be changed, that the first time the one labor, then the total product have that is 40, and the second, that is 2 labor, then 90, then 3 labor, then 130, after that 4 labor, then 160, and 5 labor 180, and 6 labor, then 180, 7 labor, then also 160. So what we have seen in this table, that up to 5 it is increasing, okay, increasing but with decreasing rate, but then also increasing positively. But at 6, when we have employed 6 labor, then there is mainly no increase in the total product output, it remains 0, 180, 180, there is no change. After that, if we say that after employing a 7 labor, then the total product decreases, right? So mainly the total product decreases after increasing the mode of the variable factor. So let us see what it is showing in this explanation. The TP in table 1, right, it is in table 1, that is total product, has been shown with the hypothetical example. Mainly in this example, the land is a fixed factor and the labor is a variable factor production. To increase the level of the production, as we increase the unit of a variable factor, the total production increases initially. But after, the TP increases slowly, and a point comes when TP starts decreasing. It happens because the fixed factor are not fully utilized, right? That is fixed factors. Fixed factor means land. So land are not fully utilized by these labors in the beginning. But as we go on increasing the unit of a variable factor, the fixed factors are efficiently utilized. But after it, on increasing the unit of variable factor, the production starts declining. It is clear from the above table, on increasing the variable factor labor with fixed factor land, TP increases till 6th unit of labor. At 6th unit of labor, the total production is maximum, but after employing 7th unit of labor, the TP decreases, right? So that is, it is showing. So MP shows the rate of TP. MP refers to the change in TP when one more unit of the variable factor is used, fixed factor remaining constant. The rising MP increases the TP at a rising rate. The rising MP signifies the rise in the TP at increasing rate. Similarly, falling MP implies the rising TP at a diminishing rate. When MP becomes 0, any rise in the TP gets stopped, that is at the MP 0, the TP becomes the highest, and the negative MP, then the TP starts fall, right? It is the relation between TP and MP. If we talk about the marginal product, then marginal product is mainly an additional, that is a marginal product is the change in the total product due to applying one more or less unit of variable factor. इट मीन्स दैट मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट क्या है, मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट जो है वो चेंज है टोटल प्रोडक्ट में, जब कि कब, जब हम लोग अप्लाई करते हैं एक या तो एक कम यूनिट ऑफ वेरिएबल फैक्टर, ठीक है, यूनिट ऑफ वेरिएबल फैक्टर जब हम लोग एक ज़्यादा अप्लाई कर देते हैं और एक कम अप्लाई कर देते हैं, तो जो हम लोग को मिलता है वो हम लोग को मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट जो है वो मिलता है, ठीक है। अगर हम लोग बात करें इसी में कि हम लोग को मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट क्या मिल रहा है, इससे भी हम लोग मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट निकाल सकते हैं, ऊपर वाले दिए हुए जो हैं, लेट्स सी दिस वन, दैट इन दिस मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट विल बी, that is 90 minus 40, that is 50, right? For second, that is 130 minus 90, that is 40, right? Then also 160 minus 30, that is 30. Then 180 minus 60, that is 20. Then 180 minus 180, that is 0. And then the 180 minus that is 160 minus 180, that is minus 20. It means that first that when the starts of the increasing of the variable factor, that TP that MP is at positive, then it's become 0, and then it become negative, right? So mainly it shows that is the change in the total product due to and applying one more or less unit of variable factor. So MPN is equal to the marginal product of nth unit, the total product of nth unit, and TPN minus 1 is equal to total product of n minus 1 unit. Right? So MP can alternatively be calculated with the following, that is the change in the total product by change in the variable factor, that is labor. It is also can be said. But here's mainly given the table of the MP, that is shows that is the factor A, that is land, factor B, that is labor, then the total product after the marginal product, as we have already calculated the marginal product in the total product table. So that is this one given, and here first that is 0 0, as we have seen that this is only because the marginal product, the first level, is not calculated. So firstly given the 0 0 for all the variable factor and total product, that before starting any of these business or any of the production, everything is equal in 0 in the starting, right? So that's why it is clear from the above table that MP increases in the beginning but starts decreasing afterwards. MP becomes 0 at some level of the production and becomes negative in the end. It should be noted that TP is maximum at the point where MP is 0. In the table at the 6th unit of the variable factor, labor MP is a 0 while TP is maximum. At this point, at 7th unit of the lever, the MP is negative, as we have seen 7th unit, right? तो 7th यूनिट जो है MP नेगेटिव, इट मीन्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 8 7. तो मेनली that is the 7th unit, the variable factor of the 7th unit. If you see the 6 units, so 6 unit the MP is 0 and we are getting the TP is maximum, right, at this point. And if you talk about the 7th unit, so 7th unit the that is the we are getting the MP negative, that is minus 20, and the TP is decreasing, that is 160. So after that we will understand what is average product. Average product is the per unit production, right? As we know about that is the average revenue, that is the per unit price, but here the per unit production of the variable factor. It means that in 1 unit what is the production, that is called the average product of the variable factor. So average product is obtained by dividing the total product to the variable factors, like the all the units of the factors, that is called unit of the variable factors. If we say that is AP, that is average product, is equal to TP by L, that is the total product by the units of the variable factors, then it is the AP we can obtain. Let us see from this table that what is AP. So here also the factor A, land, that is fixed factor, is constant. Factor B, that is labor, that is a variable factor, it increases. At the second, that is a total product. Total product we have already remembered that this, and then also after that average product. So average product is what? TP divided by the units of the variable factor. So first the TP is 40 and the units of variable factor is 1, so 40. After that 90, that is by 2, that is 45. After that 130 by 3, that is 43.3. 160 by 4, that is 40. 180 by 5, that is 36. 180 by 6, that is 30. 160 by 7, that is 22.8. So it is clear from the table 3 that AP increases in the beginning but starts declining from the 3rd unit, although the TP remain positive. AP or the average product is neither 0 or not negative. It means that AP never be negative. It means every time the sum of the production can be done, right? हर टाइम में कुछ ना कुछ तो प्रोडक्शन होगा, तो जो प्रोडक्शन होगा उसी वही तो एवरेज प्रोडक्ट है, उसी का जब हम लोग एवरेज करेंगे तो हम लोग को एवरेज मिलेगा। कभी भी एवरेज, कभी भी प्रोडक्शन जीरो में तो नहीं जाएगा, नेगेटिव में तो नहीं जाएगा। तो जब प्रोडक्शन नेगेटिव में नहीं जाएगा तो फिर हम लोग को एवरेज प्रोडक्ट कैसे नेगेटिव में मिलेगा, राइट? सो ये अभी हो गया तीनों का डेफिनेशन। तो हम लोगों ने क्या क्या देखा है यहाँ पे, as we have seen from the starting, that is what is the production, right? Secondly, that the what are the product, that is the total product, that after that marginal product, then the average product. What is the total product? So total product, it is the sum of the total production, or the sum of the total production of all goods and services which are produced for a particular period by using all factors of production. And it is also said that the total product, it is the sum of the marginal product for a given particular commodity of a variable factor, right? So it can be also said that TP is equal to summation of MP, and second that TP is equal to that is the total product of all that. And it is also not only up to that, there are two things, that the TP is also equal to the after that it is also equal to the AP into the L. It means that average product into the units of the factor or units of the variable factor. Secondly, that is marginal product. So marginal product, it is the change in the total product due to use of one more or less unit of a variable factor. That is, the MP is equal to the summation of, as we have seen that the TP is equal to summation of MP. So MP is equal to the MP of the nth unit is equal to TP of nth unit minus the TP of nth minus 1 unit, right? And MP is also calculated by, that is TP, that is total product, that is the change in the total product by the change in the variable factor, right? The change in the unit of variable factor. So suppose this can be done from this table, that the change in the TP for any unit, let's take that for change in the unit from this we can say that the from the 40 to 90, that is how much, that is 50, right? That is firstly we can say that is from 40 to 90, that is 50. So 50 for the mainly for the second unit, right? Or that is second unit. So for second unit and 1, so 50 by 1, so it is the mainly the it is the marginal product. And if you say that what is the average product, so average product is the multiplication of the total product and the units of the variable factor, right? That is the, it is divided by the total product obtained, and the it is the per unit production of the variable factor, right? As we have seen that whatever the production done in the per unit, so average product is obtained by dividing the TP by the units of the variable factor. Suppose there it is given that TP is equal to 90 and the variable factor is for that 2. So if we divide the 90 by 2, we get 45. So that the method is applicable, right? So we have done completed here.